The Delicious Recipes plugin provides different shortcodes that you can use to insert recipe listings or categories on any page of your website. The shortcode support provides you with the flexibility to add your own custom archive section anywhere you prefer on a page or post. In this video, I will show you how to use shortcode to display recipe listing or category step by step. Before I get on with the tutorial, let me walk you through the documentation for shortcode. I have added the link to the documentation in the description box below. First, I will walk you through the shortcodes supported by Delicious Recipes plugin. First is Carousel Shortcode. If you want to display the latest recipes added to the website in the form of the slider, then you can make use of the Carousel Shortcode. Next is the List Shortcode. If you want to display the list of latest recipes on a page or post, then you can use the List Shortcode. The shortcode supports 3 different layouts: the value list that displays the recipe in a list format, like how you are seeing on the screen right now, the value grid that displays the recipe list in a grid layout. Also, if you add the parameter Carousel True to the grid layout shortcode, then you can display the post list in grid layout in the form of a slider, like how you are seeing on the screen right now. Third is Recipe Course Archive Shortcode. If you want to feature recipes from Recipe Course Archive, then you can make use of the Recipe Course Archive shortcode. You can achieve 2 variants with this shortcode. First is to display the list of latest recipes under the Recipe Course taxonomy in a grid layout. Second is to display the same in the form of a slider. Fourth is Recipe Course Breakfast Archive shortcode. If you want to display the latest posts of the category breakfast under the Recipe Course taxonomy, then you can use the Recipe Course Breakfast Archive shortcode. Here, you can change the taxonomy and term slug to show the latest posts belonging to any other taxonomy or category. Fifth is Recipe Course Breakfast Dessert Archive shortcode. If you want to display the latest posts belonging to the category breakfast or dessert under the Recipe Course taxonomy, then Recipe Course Breakfast Dessert Archive shortcode is for you. Here, you can change the taxonomy and term slug to show the latest posts belonging to any other taxonomy or categories. Sixth is Recipe Cooking Method Archive shortcode. The Recipe Cooking Method Archive shortcodes displays the latest posts belonging to the category with the terms ID and category under the Recipe Cooking Method taxonomy. The term ID is unique to each category and can be viewed by hovering over the category in the taxonomy dashboard. You can also use the terms ID in place of the term slug. Here, you can change the taxonomy and term slug to show the latest posts belonging to any other taxonomy or categories. Now, based upon the shortcodes, I will show you how to use shortcode to display recipe listing or category. First, you have to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Now go to Pages. You can either go to All Pages and edit the page to which you want to add the shortcode, or you can create a new page altogether. I'm going to create a new page, so I'll click on Add New. Let's add in the title. Now click here, then click on the Add Block icon. You have to select shortcode from here. If this does not display like how it is displaying on my screen right now, then you can search for the shortcode block by typing shortcode inside the search bar. Select shortcode. Now enter the preferred shortcode for the Delicious Recipes plugin. First, I will simply add the Carousel Shortcode. In the new tab, I will open the documentation page. From Carousel Shortcode, I will copy the shortcode from here. Then I'll go back and I will paste it here. Click on Publish. Now let's view our page in the new tab. And this displays the latest recipes added to the website in the form of a slider. Let's go back. Now I will demonstrate another way to add in the shortcode. Let me remove this one real quick. Click on the add block icon. Select shortcode. Now let's say that I wish to display list of latest recipes under the recipe course taxonomy. Then let's add the shortcode for that. Let's go back to our documentation. Go to Recipe Course Archive Shortcode. Then I will copy the whole shortcode, go back and I will paste it here. And let's further assume that I want those recipes to be from the category breakfast as well as cooking method as grilling. Then I will just click here right after the recipe archive taxonomy, give a little space. Then I will go back to the documentation page. Let's go to the top and let's go to Recipe Course Breakfast Archive Shortcode. I will copy the terms breakfast from here. Let's go back to our dashboard and paste it here. To add the cooking method as grilling, I will add a comma, give a space, then add in the cooking method. The parameter number of post displays 6 number of recipes. And if I want to display those recipes in Carousel slider, then let's give a little space right after the number post parameter. Then let's add in one more parameter, that is carousel is equals to true. Now we will publish the shortcode. The shortcode is an inclusion of many different shortcodes. You can customize your own shortcode following the same process. Click on Update. Now let's go back to the same page and we will give it a refresh. And here are the recipes. If you open these recipes in the new tab and check the cooking method as well as the recipe course taxonomy, you will see the cooking method does include grilling and the course does include breakfast. It is the same with the rest of the recipes. Grilling and breakfast. Grilling and breakfast. I hope this concept is clear to you. If there is anything that you did not understand, please do let me know in the comment section below, or even better, you can directly reach out to our support team. I have added the link to creating support ticket in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in our next video.